T1 is an instant favorite. Easily pocketable, simple to operate, and unlimited brightness adaptability, it's a solid choice for everyday carry for a lot of people. The T1 is built with grip in mind. The small striped milling creates a strong and durable texture that is much preferred over a smooth and polished finish. The tail is magnetic and can be a huge benefit in situations that require two hands. So if you're working in tight spaces, the T1 is going to be great. The T1 runs on an 18350 battery with a maximum output of 1500 lumens. Its infinity modes allows stepless brightness selection, anywhere from 15 lumens to 685 lumens. The beam has a perfectly balanced hotspot for optimal clarity. The battery indicator shows when you need to charge it up, so it's always ready when you are. The T1 also has a lockout mode, which will prevent the light from automatically turning on in your pocket. The T1 comes in black as well as limited edition dark green and desert tan finishes for those who enjoy the classic outdoor look. The desert tan, as of uploading this video, is 30% off on our website, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Wrapping up, we think the T1 is a perfect light for having around the house, as well as a great EDC light.
The MicroStream USB is an ultra-compact personal light that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand or in your pocket. It makes for a great light to carry on a daily basis. And for those times you need to be hands-free, the convenient pocket clip attaches to the visor of your hat. And because the light is made of anodized aluminum, it's durable and abrasion resistant and will hold up to daily use. This light might be small, but is extremely powerful. The black light comes on low level to conserve battery life and can be changed to high with a double tap of the switch. The Coyote comes on high and simply can be changed to low with a double tap of the switch. To lock the light in the level that you have set, simply click the switch. The lithium-ion battery can be charged in the light using a USB cable. Simply slide the head forward to expose the USB port. It also features a battery charge indicator, red for charging and green for fully charged. For more information about these and our entire lineup of durable products backed by more than 45 years of reliable performance, visit us at streamlight.com.